Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At kung bago lang kayo dito sa channel ko, please click the subscribe and bell button para updated kayo sa lahat ng info. And this video is for entertainment. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung magic show dito sa cruise ship. Just watch my video until the end. Nasa theater na kami.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, that was good. I didn't even have to do it twice. Excellent. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your cruise show. I'm sure you've all had a lovely day. It's embarkation, and I'm sure you're not tired. So, I'm going to crack on with showtime this evening. Our performer this evening is doing this show especially for you, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so a big round of applause for our performer this evening. He's all the way from Hungary. Anyone else from Hungary? He's not brought his family with him this evening. Good. So, ladies and gentlemen, sit back and relax. The very unusual world of T-Ball.
good, no good. Very difficult. Up. Hello, wonderful. Yeah, please check it. Yeah, check it. Is everything all right with the box? Yeah, good. Good. Yeah. Whoa! Nah, just kidding. Yeah, can I have that? Very good. difficult. evening, ladies. I love you all. This is wonderful. Very nice of you. Oh, it's wonderful. I need one wallet. Yeah, please come, sir. Everything will be all right. My next number is very, very easy. Please come here. Okay, please. Wallet. Turn around, yeah. Easy, easy, easy. Good. Okay, I move this stuff. I'm coming back, yeah. Okay, sir. Everything will be all right. I'm very professional. Sorry. Okay, please don't move. Don't move. That's very funny, yeah? No, it's not funny. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to put it on him so he cannot see me to throw the knife, so he's not going to move. So we say, sir, please come. Yeah, everything will be all right. Yeah, good, 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 good. Okay, yeah, good. I'm going to fix it, okay? Very nice, good. Okay, that's good. Are you good, sir? Yeah? Yep. Okay, okay. Everything will be all right, yeah? Go a little bit back. Good, good, good. Good, good, okay. Like this. We have to find the position. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see something very, very nice? Yeah! Oh, they love you. Yeah, it's good, yeah? Okay, just wait. Good. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the first one? Oh, sorry. I missed it. Sorry, okay. I have to concentrate, yeah? Okay, yeah, you can cover it, yeah? Good, good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the first one? Ready? One! Are you ready for the second one? Ready? Two! Ready for the third one? Ready? Three! Almost, yeah? Good, yeah? Okay, thank you. Hey, wait. It's getting harder and harder. Okay, just a minute. Good, yeah, come here, yeah. Good, yeah. Very nice, good. Yeah, good, yeah. This is too small. We need bigger one. Okay, good. Yeah, don't move. Everything will be all right. Good. Open it. Okay, good. Yeah, turn like that. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to do the same way. So I'm going to put it on him so he cannot see me to throw the knife. So he's not going to move. Thank you so much. Yeah, everything will be all right. Yes, that is good. I'm going to fix it. Yeah, good. Yeah. Okay. Just please, very important. Don't move. Yeah. Good. Okay. Now I have to fix it. I don't want to do the same mistake I did in the first one. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the first one? Ready? One! Are you ready for the second one? Ready? Two! Are you ready for the dangerous stuff? Ready? Three! Oh, look at that. Now we did this one. Good, yeah? Very nice. Thank you. Yeah, you can have it. So now I have to do the show a little bit in a different way, because before the show few of you asked me to do some magic trick, but I have to teach them how to do it. Do you want it? Yeah. So for this number, I need 4 very, very strong men. 1, 2. Boss. Very nice. She told me you have to come. Okay, so now we are going to do one really nice magic trick, but in the same time I'm going to tell you how to do it. So you are going to have a really nice trick to do it when you have party. Yeah, please come on. So for this number I didn't prepare anything because they just told me before the show. But I need 4 chairs. I have one, very nice. I'm going to have one more, yeah. Okay, the other side. Okay, can you sit down? Yeah. I have to collect the chair because this is a special nice good is coming. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Sir, please have a seat like this. Good. After. Okay. Okay. Oh, very nice. Oh, the same size. Same size. That's very nice. So now you can do really, really nice trick when you have party, or you can show it to someone. Yeah, please stand up. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, please come behind the chair so they can see you. Okay. So you have to put the chair in that position, like this. And now you have to tell them, have a seat like this. Like this. Okay. Sir, please have a seat. There. Good. Very nice. Okay. You, sir, please come here and have a seat like this. Very nice. Okay, sir, please come here and have a seat like this. What? Why did you do that? Good. Okay, and you have a seat like this. Hands up. Lie down. He's wonderful. So now they have to lie down like this. Yeah, lie down. He's wonderful. Come on. Yeah, good. No, wait. Good. Okay, lie down. Okay, like this. Okay, you can hold hands. We are on the ship, so no problem. Okay. And now we have to say the magic words 3 times like this. Please, everybody. Magic. 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 Okay. Please give me your chair. Ready? 1, 2. Are you ready? Strong, strong, yeah. Oh, very 2. Okay, you are strong, yeah. Hold your body, hold your body. Okay. 3, ready? Give me that chair. Please show them how strong they are. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Very nice. Good, good. Ready? How's everything? Good, yeah? Thank you so much. Thank you. gentlemen, are you having fun?